Welcome, here I've got Poco M3 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see, now by using them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, as you can see. And here we have volume buttons function, so let's tap here. As you can see, we can change it from shutter, which is now, to shutter countdown, zoom or volume. Now let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, for example. And let's go back to the camera. And now let me try to use these buttons once again. As you can see, now I can get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on the volume buttons. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.